Hey everybody, how are you doing today? I'm going to do a quick video on a brand new camera security system for your house. These are battery powered and solar charged, so they're completely wireless, and you can set these pretty much anywhere outside as long as it has some sort of sun sometime during the day. I've had these up for a couple of weeks now and they're doing quite a good job. It's a pretty good priced package. So you get the home-based system, that's kind of what connects everything together, as well as stores your video if you wanted to. You can add extra memory to this. You can even add up to like, I think a 1 or 2 terabyte SSD. So you can get months of recording on these. Once again, these solar panels are built in and those just charge by the sun, of course. And so far I have had no issues at all with it draining too much power during the day and not having enough to work the next day. So that's been totally fine. So this is a 2 camera kit. They have a 3 and a 4 camera kit. This one I got for $3.99. Pretty good deal overall. They are 4K, so they're definitely high quality, good picture quality. Here's some of the features. If you want to pause the video, you can go over that stuff. Just showing you all the packaging real quick. And basically what you get in the box, the 2 cameras, the home. These are the mountings. This is the way you mount it, simply 4 screws into the side of your house. Comes with the screws, of course, as well as some plastic anchors. 2 chargers for one each just for the initial startup. They want you to fully charge these before you put them outside. That makes sense. That way it's just easier to keep it fully charged. And then it comes with a couple of stickers and of course the manual. So I want to make this video a little bit quick. I'm going to show you kind of where I mounted one of them. And then also I'll show you some daytime footage as well as nighttime footage. And I'll even show you that it has infrared nighttime view and then it has color nighttime view as well. I got one in my backyard. I'll show you here, this is the easiest way. And it's just simply mounted right there. 4 screws. It looks like where I mounted it, it made the siding bend out. It was already bent like that. I need to have them come and fix that, but it's literally just 4 screws, and the way I have it underneath the soffit there, it's still plenty of sunlight during the morning to fully charge this during the day. So I got one mounted up front as well, and it looks over pretty small yard overall, but I got a pond back there. Just saying that so when I show you the footage later, it's got a pretty wide angle lens. And it shows off pretty much of my yard. Of course, it does have a microphone. I'll take you back inside. Of course, it does have a microphone, so you can talk to people. Has a pretty good speaker. Also has a built-in light as well. I believe the light is this round. I believe the light is this round part. So yeah, I think so far it's been a pretty good system. There is no monthly fee, so straight out of the box you can start seeing all your recordings and stuff. You can pay a fee if you want additional features. I don't see myself upgrading to the additional features. Some people will, some people won't. Works with Alexa and Google. And now I'm gonna switch over and show you a little bit about the app, and then I'll show you some daytime and nighttime video, and we will wrap up this video. I want this to be kind of a quick video. And do me a favor, guys, if you like this video at all, subscribe for me. I also have the Eufy. They make a 4K system like this, and I've been using that one for the past couple of years. So I'll let you know in a separate video what I think about that one compared to this one. They're both very similar systems. Both come with 2 cameras and the home base. So I'll tell you which one, and I'll tell you which one that I think is better overall. I actually don't know yet, but I'll do it in a comparison video. So I gotta hook it back up to this new house and see side-by-side comparison of the video. So that video will probably be coming out soon as well as too. All right, here's the app. Super simple to use so far, and I quite like it. So it'll list all your cameras here. It'll tell you if you want it to the battery percentage. Looks like the backyard's getting a little bit more sun than the front. I did not fully charge these, which I should have when I installed these, but still no problem at all. I know in the morning this goes way above 52%. And I know I've had a lot more action out there today. They're still building homes, so I have a lot of different alerts. So let's go ahead and go to the backyard here. All you do is simply click the play button, and this will take you live. And yes, grass looks terrible. Let me know in the comments, guys. This has nothing to do with this camera, but if you got brand new sod in a brand new house and they put it in the hottest days of summer, we had 4 days in a row after they put this in with 95-degree weather and no rain, and it just absolutely cooked the grass even when I was watering it. They should be responsible for that, I would think. So me and all my neighbors have this kind of the same situation, and we're gonna complain. I'm just curious real quick if any of you have that issue. Anyways, back to this video. Sorry about that. So basically, here's the live view. You check out these weeds over here that I pulled a few days ago. As you can see, they're completely dead, but this is 4K, and you can zoom in and get a pretty good picture of it. 4K is definitely, well, as anybody would know, is much better than 1080p, but on these cameras, it's quite a big difference. So pretty good. If you zoom in fully, it's a little distorted, but still not bad at all. So that's the side view of a live camera. Now, if you go at the bottom here, well, let's start at the left bottom. It does have a light, so you can turn that on and off. All right, guys, we are back in the app. It is nighttime out, about 2 a.m., so pitch black out there, except for the street lights, of course, and we'll check how each one looks. Let's start in the front. As you can see, nice and dark. Good picture quality. I think it looks good. You can still zoom in and whatnot. And I'd say it's a really nice wide angle, so I am pretty happy with that picture quality myself. Let's go to the backyard, and then I will show you the difference between regular night vision and then color night vision. So as you can see here, this is just infrared and that's it. Let's switch it to, let's turn on the light, and then it'll automatically change it over to color. See how it instantly is green. Obviously, if there was more light in the background, you'd see a lot more. And I think that's pretty impressive for it's pitch black out there. And you can just turn that back off and it switches right back to the infrared light, which is still fine. So overall, I'm pretty impressed, I must say. Let's see if we can go into a little bit more settings to wrap up this video. $399 is not too bad, in my opinion, for solar-powered 4K cameras. Super easy to install. Literally hook up the base station to your Ethernet from your router. Then the cameras connect to that basically almost instantly. And then you just put them exactly where you want them, as long as there's sun at all. These guys will stay charged up and work for you as long as they have Wi-Fi. So pretty impressed. So here's like AI surveillance. This is if you want to pay extra. These are extra things that it has. I'll scroll through. You can pause it if you'd like. Detection settings. That's basically the same thing with the AI. Notification, how it comes, night vision. Video, audio, you can set it to 4K, which of course I'm going to have it on that. 1080p gets you the video to load quicker, but it is definitely less quality. And then you can change the volume of the speaker. I might as well click on night vision. Turn off infrared light, black and white, or color. Adjustment of brightness, battery management, power saving mode or intelligent mode, and then you can turn on and off to show the percentage of the battery. You can have the LED status turned on and off. Works with Amazon, Alexa, and Google, of course. And then, of course, there's firmware updates here and there. So I think it's a really good system. I'm very happy with it. I will put a link down below if anybody is interested. It is an affiliate link, so I get a tiny kickback Really helps this channel grow, and it doesn't cost you anything else to use that link. So I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions at all or you want to see additional tests, let me know down in the comments. And I appreciate it. You guys have a good day. See ya.